Hey, yo. Да. Be honest. Why? I have no head. Okay. That should be good for now. So let's... I just need to add a little bit of code. But let's... time dt clock restart. So let's just quit this. So we stopped here. Okay, let's close it. Open the chat so we can see. Let's open Premiere and try to add what we rendered in last like 10 days maybe. Yeah, it took so long for rendering VR. So let's open Wizard Game. Then we'll add some renders. Do you have space there? A little bit. This is 835th stream. ue4 VR video and game development. VR video and game dev. Let's call it like that for now. And I should put a last video that we did. Maybe to put it on public, or no, it will be for Patreon. Private, public, unlisted, add Patreon. Let's try to public. Okay. Tako. Where is VR here? Laku noć. Here, huh? We're offline? How's that? No, we're live, okay. So here is our, this is 713. Favorites, okay. So searching for 719. Where is it? Okay, this is the one. So we're adding from here. We're two. Left. Right. No, not this one. Sorry. The next one. 800. 900. So we're searching for left, for right. 941. Right 900. Here it is. Okay. Next, we need to add a lot of it would be nice if we can find it somehow differently. So right 1104. What is this? Hey man. But this will not solve. Copy the motion. And here also. Copy, paste attributes. Gamma correction? No. You see there. Fuck. This is shit. 10 days of, and we're missing some frames. Really bad. It's really bad because it's not rendering the whole thing. There's some jumps. We'll need to render some frames again. Right, 13, 19. So I'm not recommending making a VR video or game for now. There are two technical things that are putting you off the main thing, which is development. Too much constraints. But we will do it somehow. Anyway. $14.45, right? 44. It took so long. Why the hell? Right, 1598. Right. That's it. No. Why can I show the sequence here? Why? PNG sequence. It could be great. Let's see. Can we do it? Yeah, that's what I watched. Some game development stuff. The guy who made the Ark. Some Sekiro gameplay. Yeah. Show sequence in Premiere. List sequence. Premiere should just sequence. Nope. Those are not the same. Hey. Right. 15. Okay. Few more. Come on, reading, Premiere, reading. Show all. Left 17. So I will just snap some sound there and call it a movie because it took so long. And you can do some editing with VR like for the movies, but there is no point in still to do that. $200,000. Left 3 more. Okay, 4. And doubled, so it's 8 basically. And it's 30 frames per second. 30? You're joking? I render it like 25. Huh? Come on, read it. It's taking too long to read. Is disk full? No. Yeah. Oh, those are footages for VJing. 10 gigabyte. I should kill them. Let's kill half of them. And all AVIMO files, oh man. Right, okay. Now this one. Right. It took us 22 minutes. It will take up to 25 more, half an hour. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Before I have to go. Oh. Find right. Okay. That's it. One, two. Now, what we need to do is to copy those elements to those up there. Just paste attributes. This one also. I mean this one. Okay. So what do we have now? How long it's minute and a half. How it should be minute long? Fuck. Okay, it's going okay. Oh, it just stops here. You see? Now it's taking it slowly. It's weird, really. And now it's going back. Why the hell? Again, this broken footage. Too many of them. What? How's that? He just... Yeah, we need few more there. Okay, we'll render it, but what about all of those missing there? Huh. Not yet. Okay, let's export it. I need to see it. The main problem is, I mean, we can maybe look at here in VR view. Where is it? Yeah, this is the window. Now just hide controls, but I cannot play it. No. No, it's not playing in real time. Now let's see. Let's export it. Okay. So yeah, we should do animations instead of this. I don't like those constraints. We could make it much better in VR, and we can do also VR games, which I did, but we already spending too much time on debugging and some technical things, as I said. So I would like to put it down to drawing and putting a sound and pictures and story instead of fighting with debugging. There are not much VR movies over there. And they're usually short. Oh, this is 1.5, but showcase at Mozilla. So it will take 21 minutes. We'll not wait it, but no. I will not wait you. Okay, that's what I wanted from this. Let's save it. Let's open. Open our project. Let's open again wireframe. Did we watch it? Yeah, this game looks nice. I like that Zelda look. City graphic game urbanism bookshelf. What? Why? Because really? Cities of the world. Nice. Learn how to make Twine game. Twine is interesting, but not as it should be. I didn't open the correct level. I will need to do it again. We should share our game there. Wow. That was a time. Sega 16-bit. Wow. More than Metal Gear. Anthem, the stillness of the wind. That looks interesting. We will come back to it. Those are some interesting stuff. How many pages are there? Okay, not much, but enough. We'll come back later. Let's see. Is it opened? Yeah, but we need other levels, sorry. We'll need level number 3 to open. If we read it, let's open it in browser and try to read it. It's page number choose file. It's page number 60. Can I read from here? Probably not. Let's read it aloud. How the hell? How to select it, man? Okay.
The Stillness of the Wind tells its story from the perspective of the one person who isn't involved in its events. In a world undergoing major upheaval, you get to experience isolation and unchanging routine. The result is as intriguing and contradictory as the title suggests. You play as Talma, an old woman who's lived her entire life on a tiny goat farm in the desert. With her ascendants passed on and her siblings moved away, Talma is now alone. All you can do is direct the actions of her life, collect eggs from the hen house, milk the goats, make cheese, plant seeds, and forage for mushrooms. Then return home to eat and rest each night. Your only connection to the world beyond is an old peddler who stops by most days to barter goods and deliver letters from city-dwelling family members. In this way, the Stillness of the Wind functions as a rudimentary farming simulator, but it's one that offers no sense of progress or achievement. Each chore is a major effort for the shuffling Talma, and labor-saving shortcuts are non-existent. Keeping going is all that matters, as time and resources are too scant to get ahead. There's a sad irony when you go through all the processes to make cheese, then have to trade the product for hay to keep the goats fed. Through this grind, the game builds its tale of a woman seeing out her last days doing the only things she knows. It may make you reflect, for instance, on how quickly as players, we accept such an unrewarding slog. Or, it highlights how other farming games, Harvest Moon, Stardew Valley, fetishize rural simplicity. This then contrasts with a critique of modernization in the wider story, leaving an unresolved tension between the horrors of civilization and the bareness of life for those who refuse it. The bigger tension, however, is in the play experience itself. As crucial as the slow routine is in developing these themes, it can make you wonder if it's all worthwhile. This is a game that reverses the normal metrics of assessment. Even the fussy and unwieldy point-and-click controls help to express Talma's character. But the same elements also cause your attention to wane. At these points, it would help if the narrative thread was strong enough to compensate and pull you through. Unfortunately, the drip feed of news never quite does the job. Still, it could be argued that the experience should drag at times to give the ideas room to breathe. It's yet another one of those contradictions, in a game whose positive and negative qualities are often impossible to untangle. Perhaps the only certainty is that it delivers food for thought, even if the framing leaves it a little undercooked. The stillness of the wine tea verdict, a deliberately slow game that gently prods at some interesting ideas. 0.60% review rated. The visuals do a great job of imparting Talma's likably resilient personality, reviewed by John Bales. Once night falls, visibility outside is near zero, leaving your shack as the only refuge. You can wander beyond the borders of the farm, but don't expect to find much in the middle of nowhere. Highlight.
So, for this level, let's try it. I need to close the room and just to see. Oh, protection tool, you're here, my friend. You're protecting me, yeah? What a surprise. Can we kill you? But it will trigger. It will be triggered. Unreal is taking 5 gigabytes. For what, man? For what? 5 gigabytes. For level? It's not so huge. Let's stop for the moment with the music. Okay, it is dark. There should be other music also. Yeah. He spotted us. Oh. And he will kill us. I don't know where is the end. Let's stop and see if it's streaming well. Let me just see. But it looks better than I thought. So there is potential, which is good. Always. If you see potential, that's good. Because no one else will see at the beginning. Only us who are making this. I mean me. Me. what are the frames? What is a frame rate? I would like to know. What is the frame rate? Let's try it again. And yeah, let's add the music after. So in the level blueprint, we're triggering the sound. No, that's for ending level, but here for procedural one there is a sound, yeah, here. And it's going in circles, yeah. Let me let me create a cue from this, and let's then add I wanted to play first one, then the second, or all of them in a row. How can I do that? Random, modular, mixer, Doppler, dialog, delay, crossfade. Hey Simpara Mustafa, hello, greetings. Praise slaughtered 3 we added, yeah. Let's add other 2. 3 will go first, then 2, then 1. We can randomly playing it. Random. But also fade out. Is there some crossfade? By parameter? No. Which parameter? Can we fade? No, you know what? we'll add that Q here. Where is that level? Here. I'll just add it and say override attenuation. This is inner radius. Make it like this. And it should go in loop, I think. Can I say that? I mean, can I do that? Looping, where is... Yeah. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I'm saving all the time. Let's listen just to music from the game. Frames are okay, 30 frames. There will be more players which will attack us. And to be honest, I don't know where to go. But where is the music? Why? Where is the music? Why it's not playing? Oh, we didn't add this here. Q, okay. I don't know, let's save and try now again. Are we? Oh, don't crash just. Are we? This level should be out. No, it's blueprint. Okay, sorry. So, once again, I must say I like the music, not because I made it, but okay, also because of that. But why it's not playing randomly? Man, you should play it. What is your problem here? We override your attenuation and where are you here? Q. You're here, man. I don't know what to. If I put you in loop, should go random. Three, play it again. There is something. There is the end. Yeah. Okay. I cannot. But we can test it like this. Let's go to 3. Okay, let's. It's working. It's all good or fine. Let's just put. What is this? Let's go up and put bookmark to 6 here. So I want to check this ending level, but without opening one. So go to widget. So this progression bar is not working, and we should change this image. Let's change it quickly with one of renders. Yeah, that's good. Good thing, because they say, and it is true, that game design and game development and games are really still young, medium, and it's still getting its shape. Because I just thought about that, because if you think about those images at level start, you can make a new one or spend some time on it. Can be, of course, whatever, I mean, different thing, but some developers, like you can see it in Sekiro and Bloodborne, just are taking pictures from the game, from the level, and putting them in opening screens. Not all games and developers are doing that, but so the point is that, yeah, the games are still trying to find the best form and the easiest and fastest, and yeah, like its natural form. So that's what I thought when I'm searching now for that image. We go into project, saved files, screenshots, Windows. Let's take one. Should we take this one? Maybe. Or this one. Wow, Bloodborne image. Haha. But it's not the latest. This or this. This is. And this one is good also. I like it. This is our character, and we didn't talk and we didn't put more time in him, but I apologize. I will do that, because if you at the beginning just put this guy there and do some sound talk, it could be enough. Yeah, we'll do also this, so take those two images, this one and yeah, this one. One more thing. This image can be about a long lost creature. Yeah. So yeah, this one will take and bring it to the project, assets, images, it's too big, it's 2 megabyte and it's PNG. Let's make JPEG from it. We should crop it somehow. black here. Make JPEG. There is not. There is not enough memory. Huh? Why it's saying there is no RAM? Performance, what is with the why is Premiere is bugged, crash disk. Oh man. Let's see. Why an integer between is required? Yeah. Yeah, really. What is that? Registry? Software, Adobe, Photoshop. Okay. Okay, new. Oh man. And you should say 24,000 decimal. Okay, that's it. Let's try it. So registry, yeah, registry. Software, Adobe, Photoshop, 99, add new keyword 32 bits. Yeah. bits, and we should paste what we are pasting. Override physical. Override physical memory MB. Okay. Double click to open decimal and 24,000. No fuck. And that's it. Was that a thing? Okay, great. Nice. Thank you. Screen 001, which didn't saved, of course, but we will just add it black. Save it as JPEG. Thanks God that it did the job. Pulso de coçado. Pola 12 već. Daj dok. Šta pričate? We should change it. Извини. Да. Priču o trotinetu. I to je to. Screen. And this one also. Mislim, kako ti kažem, radi mi, ne radi. Svoj film. Oh no, it's PNG. We cannot afford it. It's postara. I know scream at the top of my voice are usually harsh, for God's sake, but be silent, he replied in a voice trembling with agitation. I will through the hold. No? Okay, let it be it. Just see how it looks without opening the level. With the music. But why it start to open it? It start to open the level. Hmm? Please. Не вреди. Pa ti slovno. Pa da, pa da. Pa da. Pa da, pošto. Pošto. Pa ne moraš ti ljude da...
Pa ja jednom rekao, joj, ja meni je dosta djeca.
Pa
ja
da.
ne mogu to, mene to
Pa
satira.
dobro, pa da.
Satira. Ubijem ih dvoje. Taki ova, šta je bio? A ja pokušavam da to ne slušam, kao da slušam.
Pa moraš reći ljudima na neki način, daj im do znanja.
Pa već sam rekao. Ja tako ustajem. Ne imam više. Sam s nekim intelektualcem.
Šta on? Šta priča? Ništa, a? Pa nikao ne. Pa ne znam neki. A? On je neki smešan. A? Jel? Smešan? Da, što je čovjek stariji, sve ima manje strpljenja za te stvari, da objašnjava. Pa da, meni je posao. Meni je posao. Aha. No.
Da se plaćaju, to pa nema bre. Napred. Kako da me to tu?
03. Like this. So now just adding those maps for the package to be loaded. Insert 01, 02, 03. Ocean storm, okay. So we loaded everything from here. We can go. Did I put it back? Yeah. Open next one, which is 4th level ocean storm. And the next what is now there? What? Message log? Map build data registry. Why? What? Persistent level? What the heck? So Ocean Storm is there, I think. Nope. Can we group those? No. This is 03. 04. Ocean Storm, find it in browser. Yeah, here. So this is just preparing the game for packaging or Ocean Storm is in here in map 04. So game maps 04 level, then it's there. And what else is there? Procedural and 02 level 1. Where are you? Find there, find in Explorer, and you're in the 4th level. So let me copy this, paste, paste it there. What a creative work. But you know, without this, level will not be loaded. I don't know if it's only solution. I think list of maps to be included in the package. ue4. Okay. 02. We must do it. I thought there is some automated process, but we need to do it by hand. So we are in the levels, level 02. Now procedural. Procedural 01, 02. Okay, it's fine in the browser. It's in the 4th level. Just add, no, add here, insert, content maps. What? Did I? Так все. Контент. Как уж то. Procedural. Nice. Yeah. No. Працювати. Все. Да. Ну. Why is this? It's in procedure. Folder 01 procedural. And then just I think this is the 01 1, and we add 3 more, 2, 3, yeah, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Copy this. Zero 2 1 0 3 0 4. Okay, and yeah, that's it. And the 5th level. Okay. Now let's make a break. So short break. We'll come back in a few minutes. Be right back. Whoa, 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 whoa. I think we had all the levels. What is this one? Oh. We don't want it. But let's add it. It's here. Now we should work at 5th level. At least start. What's in here? So this game, yeah, looks interesting. The stillness of the wind. Is that a name? Looks interesting to me. So we're at the beginning. And frame rate is not quite good here. If we played. 60. I don't like this camera movement, really. Why? Oh, it's too thin. Maybe. And the other one is the occupation. What is this? Let's try to read it.
Run down the clock, take back control, art in the overt allusions to Brexit. But when you're dealing with a UK-based game fraught with high political tensions, dealing with racist rhetoric and cover-ups, it's hard not to feel reality's shadow looming. Set in the late 1980s, The Occupation has you playing as a journalist investigating the Bauman-Carson group over a terrorist attack that's galvanized the country's xenophobic mood. It's the eve of the government passing legislation that will make deporting immigrants easier, but will also have huge implications on everyone's civil liberties. Your job is to find out what really happened, and discover how closely the group is tied to such a controversial policy. That's just one way of playing it, though. You could just idle about, do as you're told, and still see the story through. But then you'd be missing out on all the places to snoop around, of which there's a surprising amount packed into each building you visit. Oddly staffed by the same two security officers. You'll often find multiple routes to access areas, whether by tampering with a nearby fuse box, discovering a vent shaft, or searching desk drawers for key cards. However, interacting with objects like answering machines and computers can be extremely finicky, as is just rifling through your own briefcase and checklist. The UI seemingly an afterthought on consoles, compared to the immersive Sims of Prey and Deus Ex. The Occupation is more grounded and mundane. Your enemies aren't so much the group's employees, since they're ordinary folk just doing their jobs. These folks are, by the way, well elected, with a nice variety
Those guys
of accents.
are not following me.
But time itself. As the real-time clock ticks down, you're in a rush even as you want to pore over sticky notes or move cautiously. This does make the game replayable, since it's highly unlikely you'll uncover every lead on your first playthrough, but you soon notice how everything drains your time. Whether it's waiting for a safe to open or finding a keycard, only to realize you still need to rummage around for the pin, most divisive is the absence of any checkpoints. Meaning your only chance to fix mistakes is to quit and restart the chapter, thereby casting aside up to an hour's worth of progress. Well, that gets rid of save scumming, and the story still plays out even if you turn out to be an inept sleuth, you're often left feeling frustrated. Especially when you're set back by either fiddly controls or AI that's far too good at detecting your presence. The occupation does reward perseverance, though. And in light of the UK's own political ineptitude, there's something cathartic about a game where blowing the whistle can actually make a difference to country's direction. The occupation be verdict fascinating, well acted, and timely. But its best ideas end up frustrating more than they intrigue. 0.68% genre narrative adventure format ue4 tested XBO.
Navmesh.
PC developer white paper games publisher Humble Bundle, sold out price £19.99, Steam, Xbox, £24.99, PS4, release out now in 4 reviewed by Alan Wayne highlights Steve. The security guard with acting aspirations may look harmless, but much like the xenomorph of Alien, Isolation or Mr. X in Resident Evil 2.
Okay,
He's
now
an AI
it
adept
will
at tracking
work,
you down when you least expect. If he wasn't so annoyingly good at his job of keeping you out of restricted areas, you'd invite him for a pint. You'll occasionally play from the perspective of Scarlet, a key figure from the Bowman-Carson group. Unlike your silent protagonist, she frequently speaks her mind. While described as a real-time adventure, the narrative is actually split into chapters, the ending of each being the only time your progress is saved.
And Baba is you? What is Baba is you?
Gamers, we die a lot. From the inexorable countdown of lives in classic arcade games, to seeing the words, "You are dead," plastered across the screen as we're savaged by zombies. We're used to the concept of our own demise. Yet there's something different and unsettling about the end in Baba Is You. Here, a false move doesn't so much kill you as delete your existence, leaving you faced with the fragility of your being and the cold indifference of the world. Fortunately, you can press the rewind button and instantly revert to your former state. But the whole game is a reminder that your presence, as something rather than nothing, is transient. The absence of any narrative or situational context only accentuates the sense of meaninglessness. Where are you? What is Baba? What is the point of all this? None of these questions have answers. All you can do is keep solving puzzles. Each one is formed on a single, grid-based screen, dotted with scenery, objects and words squashed into squares and lined up to create crude sentences. Baba is you, wall is stop. Rock is push, flag is W, and
so we need to
you
build
control
it.
whatever is you
This
off the
level
titular
is
four-legged
just
white blob and complete a puzzle by touching the entity that is W, and you then return to a world map
just
to
a
select
sketch.
another puzzle again and again. Apparently heading towards some undefined goal. The key to solving these puzzles is in the grammar that links the word blocks, along with your ability to push them around. Rearrange them to say, wall is push, and you can now shove walls around the screen. Make the sentence, a wall is rock, and watch the walls turn into rocks. In this ultra-logocentric world, everything from skulls, bugs, and rockets to lava and water lack physical attributes unless they're literally spelled out.
And we died.
Like a game of Simon Says, where the entire substance of the universe is at stake. It's a brilliant reversal of puzzle game conventions that expect objects to behave consistently. Here, nothing is stable except the syntactic rules that connect variables and predicates into short logic statements. To shift and stack with endlessly flexible results, ue4 view
Frame
genre
rate
puzzle
is
formats
okay.
which are tested, PC, Mac, Linux, developer Hempel publisher Hempel price £11.29, release out now. Baba is sometimes joined most often a bipedal red blob named Kiki, reviewed by John Bale's review rated Baba as you, game is review is win, game is by Baba as you, in most levels. Certain statements are walled off and inaccessible, forcing you to work within their rules.
Okay, if we need to kill them all, he killed us. Let's say that we need to kill them all first. Okay, let's say that. Let's try. Hey, Code Reader, I'm using blueprints. It's much easier for me. Die, motherfucker. I don't know how to fight. Is there a way to fight with this sword? No. We're with tab, we're lock on player. Okay, let's really try to kill them without loss. Come on. Oh man. Why, Code Reader? Why do you ask? I'm not using tick functions so much, but I don't know why I should avoid it. Frame rate goes deep? No, it's the same actually. When I'm jumping, it's the same. I did not notice frame drop while jumping. But also I must say that I'm not a programmer type of artist or game developer. I'm more like visual type of creator, a movie director, so it's hard for us to learn programming, much harder, but I'm still struggling. I'm learning pure C++ still, and I'm making really simple game in it while learning. But frame rate here are dropping because of environment mostly. I don't know how to fight with them, but that will be the challenge, let's say. Let's say when we kill one guy, let's say when we kill him, can we do something with it? Simulate on death event and print something. Let's print string. So we can add some points on its death when we kill him. Did it print hello? The delay in our conversation is massive. It might just be the stream, but the reason about tick is that if you really untick, it has to rebuild the event every tick frame. Yeah, I don't know. Delays maybe due to YouTube, so it can. I can try to change it, but yeah, I don't know about tick really. So delays because of YouTube. And reason about tick, if you rely on tick, I don't know what I'm relying on in my player. And I'm really focused more, yeah, it's on tick. Yeah, maybe it can be done in a better way, but I don't have time and knowledge to mess with that. I'm more interested in story and visuals, but if it's more than some side reading for me? How do you mean? So, is he printed something after that? Oh man, this will kill me again. Please let's do one kill. Okay, I will do it again. Looks like you got a good flow of design. Please don't let me ruin that flow. But I suggest reading up on avoiding ticking blueprints. Avoid tick in blueprints. Thank you, code reader. I didn't know for that. I'm not using it much. I just borrowed this character. Thank you. Yeah, I hope also, but because of debugging and some technical stuff, it's come at the end, so I hope the engines will evolve more so I can concentrate more on that side of things. So I'm sure there is another way, but I'm really will lose so much time investigate and reading about it. And when I'm satisfied with the thing here, I'm just moving forward. So if frame rate are more than 25 FPS, I'm good. I'm not bothering with things. So if it's slow, it's down more, then I'm start to okay, it printed out something. Print it out, so we can maybe add the mask. Oh no, we can open some door after, or add some points, or let's search for mask. I don't think that we can pick it up. Hey, Juju box. Long time no see here. Didn't see you for a long time here. Xbox 6. What's that? Xbox 6. What is the Xbox current version? A 360, you mean? I didn't try to put game for Xbox. Oh, it's not the mask that we're looking for. Where is mask blueprint? Out of memory. Fuck. Because of Photoshop? No. Typo, okay. Xbox One. The current generation, okay. No, it's not all my assets. No, I'm using, some of them are mine, some of them are free or bought, or so I'm just don't have time to spend on modeling, and because even without it takes years to make a game. So if I do all by myself, I would never done a thing. And when I said visual designer, I meant on that because I'm movie director. That's what I went to school and academy for. So I just picked up Unreal after my interest in 3D. I have some license for Autodesk Maya, so I picked it up to like go further with storytelling like movies, but I'm here developing my second game. Yeah, I never had that out of memory. I don't know why it so was pumped up. Now the memory is less than double. It was 5 gigabytes or more. Now it's 2.5. Hi Juju. Hi YouTube. Yeah. Let's open level. Connecticut, yeah. They go together and it doesn't look like a cheap asset flip. Yeah, that's most important, because you can use whatever you want in today's development, but it's really not easy, and that's why we're lacking in good games, because it's not easy to combine those assets to looks interesting and to have some atmosphere. It's best to mix both to buy some too, but there are also free assets that are powerful. Background in film, life doesn't go as planned. Oh, sorry to hear that, but yeah, the time will come and then you can spend it in development, but development starts and ends in our heads. So just think about that, but not too much. The most important is work, consistency, yeah. Because for the first game you will need probably few years, for the second less, and so on. If you're making 3D, if you're making platformer or something different, maybe less. That's my opinion, of course. I'm looking for mask. This one item. But I got 2 characters in this game. So we cannot pick the mask with this one, but we can change. No, we cannot. Thinking it what to do when we kill the player. When we kill the player 1, we should got ladders here maybe. Then after kill player 2, we should get other ladders and so on. You're correct. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Let me try to show some element here. Let's say, let's add a cube and just show it hidden. Hidden in game. Okay, but after we kill him, we should show actor. Can we use reference for this one? No. Should be static mesh also, but I'm not doing it in proper way now. No. Film work, as you know, is costly. Yeah, solo game development is mostly a cost in time. Exactly. It was good choice for me to Nice, that's great. Yeah, you're totally right. You're totally right. You can create your own world without any money. Can I change it to mesh? Mesh. Okay, now it's mesh. Now the question is how to add it there. So when we kill the player, we can teleport him and machines and that damn memory. Yes, that's the only cost. But the time is most important, really, not the equipment and the time put in the thing. And problem solving. Because now I want to add some object to show object after player's death. Oh, I'm trying. Let's duplicate this and let this guy be hidden. Let's show him after the death of a player. Set actor active. No. Hidden. Okay. Okay. No. Don't do that. The thing should be simple, but not as I thought. We should cast to this character. Let's try to cast to him in blueprint level. Hey, it's Johnny Fox, hello. You mentioned this being your second game. The first one is called The Rest House. You can find the links below. It's on Steam, and it's still early access because unfortunately I need to bound it for now, because Steam changed in the meantime. Steam changed the way it's giving keys to developers, and because I cannot get more keys for that game, I'm not able to sell it properly outside of Steam without those keys. So that's the main way of funding the game, and I have plenty ideas, so I just started next one and we'll see, because it's the easy way to just click on button and publish the game, but and I can do that with few changes there, but I mean project is there near this one, but I just decided that move on. And because if that's their way of playing the game, like, we as creators can decide what we will do with our project, so I just decide to move on. And I don't have problem with that, to make like 5 games which are early access, if the 6th one will be the one that will be really not proud, because we should be proud of the all works we did mostly, but to be the one that we will push it, you know, to the marketing and stuff. So in the level blueprint we should cast to this guy. So at beginning play we should check event begin play, just cast to AI. Pick reference. So just check if the player is there. So branch. And what kind of game are you have in your mind? Code reader. And yeah, the game that stands out, exactly. can try to fix that delay on YouTube, but not sure. Let's see. In the advanced settings. Oh, great! Thank you, Code Reader. Which version? Because there are free versions which are really buggy and old, but the Steam is most recent one. Just to try the light dashboard to oh great, yeah, that's okay. I will put it in normal latency, but I cannot do it now, so after the stream. Yeah, I use Lovecraft for one of my VR games. I mean in one level. So Lovecraft is great. Lovecraft. We should check if he's alive. Is that if it's true, then print live. And here we'll say death. You don't see his writing in the same way others have displayed it in video games. Yeah, we all see our famous writers in our imagination. Yeah, but there is upcoming game called, you heard for it probably. Sinking City. It is a promising game. We'll see. let's see. Okay, now it's that, but how to check that? You can check that by pressing button. You take inspiration from the music of Eric Zahn, The Outsider. Aha, I should read it more. I would write it down. Yeah, all about atmosphere. You got it. So you understand how it's go. Yeah, it's all about atmosphere, really. It's all about that. You don't expect anyone to care. Yeah, but also I think you should. Of course, it's experience, but it can be experienced through other playing it, because I don't know, whatever if we make a game, it should be playable and someone should play it. So yeah, think about that to make it for the players. I mean for you, but that it can be played. So I wanted to check it with key. With, let's say, Control Z or Z. With Control. Okay, now Control Z. He's dead. You see? He's dead. Nice. So, oh. What? Let's see it now. So I'm really interested to see what you will came up with. Code Reader, it sounds really similar what I'm doing, because my famous are Edgar Allan Poe and some dark fantasy, but in more realistic way things. So it's like a similar atmosphere. So if I control Z, it's alive, you can see. And now it should be, and it's all in that simplicity because I'm really doing so simple things, but to save my time. And now if we control Z, what? Nothing. Why the heck? So the condition will be if it's alive. Let's add also branch. If it's false, also read this. Yeah, that's good. Nice to hear that. It has always been in your life. My life, I keep it on the back burner to pursue film work. Oh, really? 15 years of tinkering in 3ds Max has led me to a brighter future. Nice. So what are you doing? Are you in 3D or is it like your hobby, profession, or? Yeah, so Control Z, it's live. Ah, fuck. We died before we kill him. Okay, he's dead. Okay. Why are you? Executable is pending kill from function. Cast failed, is not alive. Is that? Oh, I understand. That's good. That's great. low firm. Nice, nice. So we have problems when our player is dead. We should check if it's alive first. If this player is alive, then we can see. You're alive, but yeah, only if it's true. Can we do it like this? It's live. He killed us. He's dead. You're dead, man. Oh, again. Oh, man. I'm checking you at the beginning. But you should check you with branch. If it's false, do nothing. Do nothing. No. You're checking if it's alive. Wait a second. If cast failed here, do nothing. Sorry, I'm tired. Execute graph connected from node is alive. attempted to access this guy. But he's pending kill. Mm-mm. How to check? Everything is good till when it dies. If it's false, can we do nothing or set this guy to something? detach safely pawn from its controller. I know, I will figure it out other day. I'll try this and call it done for tonight. Sorry. Busy week. I do a lot of paperwork trying to get money for next project, so we'll see. Holy crap. Control C, he's dead, but still that message. Oof. How can I do nothing or destroy actor? Destroy. But it's... Okay. It's still alive. I cannot think now. Okay. Thanks for watching, thanks for commenting. If you didn't, please subscribe to YouTube, my YouTube channel. So wish you all the best with your projects and life and tomorrow day. So yeah, stay tuned for more and have a good sleep, good day, and yeah, I love you all.